Hello, my name is Lisa, and today I'm going to talk to you about helping the environment. Let's get started. These are my contents, and I want to show you what are we going to get through to live more eco-friendly, more greener life, and celebrate the Earth Day. The contents are what I learned about plastics, my home energy use, and more sustainable living. This is what I learned about plastics. A single-use plastic bottle can take around 450 years to decompose. Plastics could really affect the ocean. It could make millions of animals and sea creatures die. Plastics are categorized into two types, each requiring specific recycling processes. Recycled plastics can undergo downcycling, reducing material quality over time. Challenges include contamination, labels, and additives affecting the recycling process. 73% beach litter worldwide is made of plastic. It's crazy, really crazy. When I heard that, it's extremely crazy. It's literally almost more than a half of the beach litter. Do you know that 160,000 plastic bags are you really used around the world every single second? That is so crazy and terrible. Plastic keeps making animals and sea creatures die every day, every month, every year, and every week, even every time and second. Plastic also makes the world not clean at all. It's a terrible thing. And there are 7 types of plastics: PET, HDPE, PVC, LDPE, PP, PS, and other. There are types of plastics that can be recycled, which is PET and HDPE, and the types of plastics that cannot be recycled, which is PVC and other plastics. Plastic recycling involves a combination of physical and chemical processes, like collection, sorting, cleaning, and shredding, as well as chemical processes such as melting and polymerization. The overall process depends on the type of the plastics and includes both physical and chemical transformations. You can see how the plastic bottles and cans and stuff in the ocean, you can see how really bad for the sea turtles and other stuff, and even fishes, and coral reefs. This is my table of my home energy use. There's appliance, numbers of items, hours used daily, and the wattage. And the energy used, you could take the wattage, multiply time, which is the hours, and then multiply the number of items that I have. For example, like TV, I have one TV and I use it for 5 hours, and the wattage is 0.320. So 0.320 times 5 and times 1 equals to 1.6. Desktop computer, I have one and two. I use it for 2 hours, and the wattage is 0.45. And 0.45 times 2 and times 1 equals to 0.9. That's the amount of energy. The fridge, I have one, and I use it for 24 hours. And the wattage is zero point 0.4. So 0.4 times 24 and times 1 equals to 9.6. I have one laptop. I use it for 2 hours or more, and the wattage is 0.12. And 0.12 times 2 and times 1 equals to 0.24. I have one electric iron. I use it for 1 hour, and the wattage is 1.5. And 1.5 times 1 and times 1 equals to 1.5. I have one washing machine. I use it for 2 hours, and the wattage is 2.2, and I take 2.2 times 2 and times 1 equals to 4.4. I have one rice cooker, 1 hour daily, and the wattage is 0.8, And 0.8 times 1 times 1 equals to 0.8. The lead, which is a light bulb, I have 6 of them, and I use it for 10 hours, and the wattage is 0.006. And 0.006 times 10 times 6 equals to 0.36. And a tablet charger, I have 5 of them, and I use it for 4 hours, and the wattage is 0.15, and 0.15 times 4 times 5 equals to 3. I have one oven, I use it for 2 hours, and the wattage is 2.15, and 2.15 times 2 times 1 equals to 4.3. Electric heater fan, I have one, and I use it for 1 hour, and the wattage is 1.3. And 1.3 times 1 times 1 equals to 1.3. The phone charger, which is the last appliance, I have 3 of them, and I use it for 1 hour, and the wattage is 0.007. So 0.007 times 1 times 3 equals to 0.021. Next. Electrical energy can transform into heat, light, sound, and the energy of motion to help the appliance works. Fridge, washing machine, and oven, I use the most amount of energy in my house. More sustainable living. The ways I could live more eco-friendly and have a greener life when I'm at home, I can unplug devices, turning off lights, use a fan, shut down computer after using it, conserving water, and planting trees. I love planting trees, and I have the trees outside my house. For getting from one place to another, you could ride a bike, go for a walk, electric cars, go hiking, and use electric bus. It's like my favorite thing to do. And the electric bus is so beautiful when I did it on the background. When I'm eating, I can conserve water, having conversations with my family and friends instead of electronics, and recycling plastic bins. The ways I can live a greener life: when I'm gonna go shopping, I can bring my own bag so I don't want to use plastic bags, and recycle soda bottles. Look at this, it's so beautiful. And please protect the earth. When I'm going to school, and you can conserve paper, conserving water, and bring my own thermos. Everyone should do that. And thank you for listening. And please do all of these ways and stuff so you can protect the earth and help the environment. And please. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye, everyone.